The Galaxy has watches in the range of Fit 2, and Fit 3, and these watches have been known to be a very good competitor of the Apple iWatch. Now, some people have asked if the Galaxy Fit is able to pair with the iPhone. Now, if you had the Galaxy Fit 2 and you had an iPhone, you realize once you install the Samsung Galaxy Fit application, you would be able to use your Galaxy Fit 2 with your Apple device. But unfortunately, Samsung removed the compatibility of the Fit 3 with your iOS device. The Fit 3 is only made to run on Android 10.0 or higher versions of Android. Now, if you'd like a watch that would work regularly with your iDevice, I'd advise you go for the Apple Watches. The Apple Watches come in different series also, and those are very compatible with the iPhone. The Fit 3 is not compatible with your Apple device. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.